It's hard to imagine how a few degrees of temperature can change or shift in precipitation patterns that could pose a threat in drinking water supplies. Hello and welcome to a new episode at Aquafeel, Maryland. My name is Jaime Turcios, and today we're going to talk about how climate change can affect the water access. Remember, if you like and subscribe to the channel and share it with person that might be interested in hearing about this topic. It's hard to imagine how a few degrees of temperature can change or shift in precipitation patterns that could pose a threat in drinking water supplies, but it can and it will. Drinking water comes from three sources. The first one is the groundwater, like wells and spring. We also have surface waters that can be lakes and rivers, and snowpack or snowmelt that supplies river, lakes, and aquifers. How does climate change can impact the water cycle? Well, climate change impacts the water cycles by influencing where, how, and how much precipitation falls. It also leads to more severe weather events over the time. Increasing global temperature causes water to evaporate in larger amounts, which will lead to higher levels of atmospheric water and more frequent, heavy, and intense rain in the coming years. How can flooding increase water contamination? The frequency of heavier and more intense rainstorms increases the threat of flooding for many communities in rural areas. In addition to the immediate health issues, threats from floodwaters can damage and contaminate wells and water treatment plants, resulting in short-term and increased risk of waterborne disease. Another important topic is how climate change can cause algal bloom. In many areas, increased water temperature will cause eutrophication. It's an enrichment of water salt nutrients that causes structural changes to the ecosystem, such as increased production of algae and aquatic plants, depletion of fish species, general deterioration of water quality, and other effects that can reduce and preclude use. The quality of drinking water sources may also be compromised by increased sediment or nutrient planting due to extreme storm events. Is climate change gonna limit the water access? Well, actually, in addition to the changes in the water cycle, climate changes could change how we use water and how much we use and how much we need. Higher temperature and evaporation rates could increase the demand and water in many areas. How can Aquafeel Maryland help you? Well, there will always be possibilities that contribute to the health of our planet, from the way we dispose our garbage to the water we discard from our home. At Aquafeel Maryland, we can help you become aware of all of this. While you take care of your health and your family using purified water every day, you can contribute to the health of the environment by discarding water with less amount of chemicals and reducing the use of plastic containers that are also affecting our environment. I invite you to visit on our website and aquafeelmaryland.com and sign up to do a water analysis at home. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment.